One of the very unfortunate side effects of poorly managed blood sugars when it comes to type 2 diabetes is chronic kidney disease. And today we're going to be talking all about chronic kidney disease. Hi, and welcome to Nature's Path to Wellness. My name is Wendy. Today we're going to be talking all about chronic kidney disease. So let's dive in. Your kidneys are one of the most vital organs in your body. They play extremely important roles such as cleaning your blood by removing waste products through your urine. They assist in making new red blood cells and regulating blood pressure. Your kidneys filter about 1 liter of blood every minute, returning it into the body through the renal veins. Kidneys are extremely resilient and can take on large loads of work when called upon. Many people have been born with one kidney, or could injure a kidney, and the healthy uninjured kidney will step up and take on the extra load while the other kidney is recovering. Your kidneys help to regulate the fluids in your body. If we look inside the kidney, we will see millions of tiny nephrons, and each nephron is made of a small filter, which is called a glomerulus, attached to a tubule. Waste products such as urea and creatinine, as well as water that is separated from the blood, flow into the tubules. Urea is a waste product that is produced when proteins are broken down, and creatinine is produced as a waste product of the muscles. Most of the water that is filtered into the tubules is then reabsorbed by the tubules to be redistributed back into the body, while waste is sent out of your body via urine. The function of the kidneys can be measured by how much creatinine is in the blood. Too much creatinine can tell that your kidneys may not be functioning as they should. The kidneys produce about 1 to 2 liters of urine per day, which is why it is important to consume about 2 liters of water per day, depending on your activity level, to help replenish the fluids in your body. I believe most people take their kidneys for granted. But if people understood just how many functions your kidneys are responsible for, and how important those functions are to staying healthy and alive for that matter, they would take better care of them. Your kidneys help to keep a very careful balance of the minerals in your body. Minerals like sodium and potassium that you consume with your food must be kept carefully in balance to maintain good health. Minerals like calcium and phosphorus used for bone strength are also kept in careful balance. Did you know your kidneys also produce hormones? These hormones are very important and are like messengers that circulate in your bloodstream, helping to regulate red blood cell production, blood pressure, and calcium balance. Can you imagine what would happen if your kidneys were not working properly? As a result of all the functions your kidneys play and all the toxins they help to manage, they can experience problems, including chronic kidney disease, kidney stones, kidney cysts, urinary tract infections, and kidney failure, just to name a few. Today, I want to focus on one of the most common reasons for chronic kidney disease, or CKD, and kidney failure, which is poorly managed blood sugars from diabetes. Years and years of high blood sugar, overconsumption of processed carbs and sugars, and high blood pressure are your kidney's worst nightmare. The problem is sometimes it is hard to see the damage we are causing to something like our kidneys, especially when it can take years to present itself, and many lose 50% of their kidney function before ever being diagnosed with chronic kidney disease. But you should know if you have insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes and are not making attempts to change your blood sugars by avoiding processed carbs and sugars, you are damaging your kidneys, plain and simple. Often, kidney disease will not present itself until it is advanced, and when you experience the symptoms, you may be surprised to be told that you have stage 4 or 5 kidney disease and are on your way to renal failure. However, many don't get to that stage as they often die from other complications such as heart attack or stroke long before a kidney disease diagnosis. If you are watching and have type 2 diabetes and insulin resistance and are consuming the typical North American diet, I'm talking to you. I want to share how important your diet and managing your blood sugars are so that you can avoid this diagnosis. 1 in 10 Canadians, or about 4 million, have kidney disease, and 46% of new patients are under the age of 65. 1 in 7, or about 37 million Americans, have kidney disease, and about 9 out of 10, or 90%, don't even know they have it. But what can be done? If you are at risk due to being obese, having type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, or insulin resistance, it is time for you to make some serious changes. You can stop kidney disease in its tracks, and if you make changes in time, you can even heal your kidneys. If you are ready to begin, you will need to immediately cut out the processed carbs and avoid added and processed sugars in your diet. I would recommend changing to a whole food plant-based diet and avoid acid-causing meat and dairy in your diet. And incorporating light exercise, such as walking, into your daily routine. I don't recommend going to an extreme, such as a carnivore diet, and further overloading your kidneys with additional proteins, causing your kidneys to go into a state of hyperfiltration with every meaty meal, as well as increasing acid levels in your body. Your kidneys prefer a more alkaline environment, and you want to make a sustainable change that can last a lifetime. Here are some common symptoms of a kidney problem you should pay attention to: trouble sleeping, fatigue, dry, itchy skin, blood in your urine, puffiness around your eyes, swollen ankles and feet, reduced appetite, foamy urine that remains in the toilet after flushing is a sign your kidneys are allowing proteins to spill out in a condition called proteinuria. It is important to note having some of these symptoms does not mean you have a kidney disease, but having more than one would indicate it's time to schedule an appointment with your doctor, especially if you have poorly managed blood sugars or hypertension. Early diagnosis offers your best chance at healing your kidneys and reversing the damage that has been done. If you already have been diagnosed with kidney disease, the following will greatly benefit you in helping to heal your kidneys. Focus on these foods such as celery, cabbage, especially purple, asparagus, romaine lettuce, cucumber, cauliflower, Brazil nuts, though be careful to only consume a maximum of 2 per day due to the selenium content. Organic, cold-pressed, extra virgin olive oil, apples with the peel. Always choose organic whenever possible. And some supplements that you can also take are spirulina, dandelion root and leaf tea, stinging nettle tea, resveratrol capsules, curcumin, red reishi, black seed oil capsules, and you can use a castor oil pack. Plenty of water with lemon, especially starting first thing in the morning. Most importantly, try not to worry. Kidney disease, if detected early, can be stalled and in some cases reversed. If this video has been helpful for you, I ask you to consider giving it a thumbs up. It helps it to reach a wider audience of people who may need to know this information. And if you haven't already subscribed, I ask that you subscribe for more health and wellness information. And join me next time here at Nature's Path to Wellness, where your journey to lifelong health begins. I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, stay healthy.